What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Angel and I am with Elias.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
So as a lot of you guys might have already seen on the Instagram and the Facebook pages to the channel, the wheels and tires have been installed on the cars, and man, they look good.
They are sharp.
So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what the cars look like. We're gonna do our quick impression on them. So let me go ahead and show you guys what my wheel setup looks like. There it is. Looks really good in my opinion. The offset to them, I mean, just the way they look on the car, super happy. Yeah, they dirty. I haven't cleaned them anyways, but I am very happy with the way they look. We have a special guest, Wolfgang Booster. Shout out to Wolfgang. Wolfgang. So there it is. Just from this angle, just the way the tires look, and I am happy with it. The color combination, I mean, it goes so well with the white in my opinion anyways. So good stuff. Look, man, look, dirt, man. Gotta detail this.
Peep that Carolina Tuner Culture sticker.
Oh yeah,
oh yeah.
You want one? Send us a DM on Instagram.
Yes sir.
All right, so here's Elias' car and wheel setup. Here you go.
Check that out, you guys. Don't mind the wheel gap.
Yeah, we're working on that. Actually, it was supposed to be down. What's today? Wednesday?
Today's Wednesday.
Yeah. Stuff happens, you know. It's called life.
Oh, yeah.
We can do it. But in the probably next week, we'll set something up, and the car will be dropped as well. So the car's already on course. Did you ever find out what kind of course you got?
I think they're called D2 League, something like that.
Okay, well,
yeah, something like that.
But the car will be dropped in, and even though they are 8.5 with the spacer, I mean the way the car looks, they look really good on the car. Just right there with it.
It is just spot on with the fitment, with just a slight little.
What's that? Another one.
Oh yeah. Look at that, you guys.
Good stuff.
It just pops when the sun hits it. They just pop. You know, that's what I really do like about them. They're just, I mean, it's just beautiful, man.
Mind the dirt in the car. It's been raining like for 1,000 years.
Yes.
I mean, in North Carolina is something else.
With the sticky tires, it always picks it up and throws it on the car.
Yeah, but man, they look good. I am very pleased. The way they turn out. Both cars look amazing. Now, in the previous video, a lot of people, we asked Team Angel, Team Elias, now that the wheels are on the car, what do you think? You still sticking to Team Angel or Team Elias?
Hey man,
previous video I got the most votes.
You did get the most votes. Yes sir.
What about it?
Hey, I don't know. I think I might get you on this one now. I don't know, man. I mean, it's kind of dangerous now, man. It's kind of dangerous.
Well, we have to fully detail the cars. We had an event coming up this Saturday. Very excited about the whole thing. So we'll have to fully detail the cars. We're gonna go around, do a few rollers until the cars are dirty, and then we'll pick it up from there. All right?
Alrighty, let's do it.
Okay. So I was just remembering before we go to take the rolling takes. These last weekend, I have been doing a little fiddling with the car. As y'all can see, that is black now. Well, it used to be white. So what I did, I had to take them off, of course, and you know, paint them all the way around so that it will look uniform. They were stuck with what's it called? Freaking silicone.
Yeah. So
I found a wood chisel, and it was really easy to take them out. Did it one day, completely forgot about it, left the thing in there. Then Trey, a friend of ours from the Drifty boys, came over and to help me, because I thought the wheels that the car had, they were 17x8. They had an inch adapter. I didn't realize when I took the wheels off, so initially I thought that the wheels were really far out. He came over, we took the, you know, he said, hey man, it's because you got an adapter. So we took him out, went ahead and installed all the wheels. And we said, okay, let's go for a quick ride.
Yeah.
Turned the car on and everything. Forgot about this chisel. As soon as we left my driveway, the battery light came on. I said, well, I mean, I thought it was a new battery too soon, but whatever, you know, if I need a battery, I need a battery. Go down the highway, and then we go to pick up some food for the guys. On the way back, I step on it a little bit because it was the first time he was in the car. So, and as soon as I, you know, step on it, what's it called, antifreeze coming out through the vents, and I'm like, oh look, actually still some on the windshield. I haven't even cleaned it yet, but I got scared because I didn't know what it was. Luckily the place is less than a mile away, so you know, quickly got the car back in the garage, popped the hood to see what the damage was, trying to figure out what it was.
Next thing you know, somebody,
Trey said, well, Angel, I don't think the wood chisel is supposed to be in the engine bay. No.
No. I don't think so.
The chisel, what it did, it broke the alternator belt, and when that swing, I guess when I'm going to assume that once he got cut, it swung and it hit the top radiator hose, and it busted the nipple about halfway. They're about that long, so it busted about halfway. You know, I was bummed about it, but anyways, you know, I had to. What was that you saying? I had one job.
You had one job. One job, guys.
And I messed it up. But anyways, went ahead, you know, took the broken piece off from the hose, pulled the hose in place. There was enough nipple left. Yay. Hey, clapped out.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
I tied the hose back up the next day. Actually, you helped me find the belt.
Sourced them out of belt.
Then what's his name? Steve came over and gave me a few pointers as far as, you know, he gave me a hand. But 2 days after I had it fixed, but it was just well, not a pleasant story, you know. No. It had some awkward feel to it, but I learned. Anytime you're doing any kind of work, make sure you check your engine bay for tools.
Make sure there's nothing left over, you guys, unless you'll end up like this.
Don't be an angel.
Don't pull an angel.
All right, now we can go roll.
Let's roll.
Now I've returned.
So this is gonna wrap up today's episode. Thank you very much for everybody that watches our videos. We really appreciate that. We have hit 800 subscribers as of today.
Yes,
thank you every one of you guys. So until next time, everybody, buckle up
and keep tuning.
Oh wait a minute.
You said buckle up.
Okay, until next episode,
buckle up and keep tuning.